Hi, welcome to Nippon.com and welcome to our Tokyo offices here. Don't mind the people behind me. Today, I'm going to make Ehōmaki. It is almost Setsubun, coming up on February 3rd. In some parts of Japan, the Ehōmaki, which is a type of large sushi roll, is eaten as a way to bring good luck for the coming year. And the key to any good Ehōmaki is 7 lucky ingredients. So today, we will be using tamagoyaki, our rolled omelet, sliced cucumber and boiled spinach. Kanikama, these are crab sticks. It's kind of a fake type of crab meat made from fish. Also have traditional ingredients here. This is shiitake mushrooms. They were dried and then boiled in soy sauce, mirin, dashi as well. We have koya-tofu, which is freeze-dried tofu. So it's been dried out and again, it's boiled in mirin, soy sauce, sake as well. And this is kampyo. If you've ever heard of kampyo maki, this is what's inside. It's a type of white gourd that is peeled and then dried and then boiled back to life. So that brings us 7 ingredients. We will also be using our nori. This is a very nice type of nori. I hope that I do it justice. And of course, we're also using our rice. So the key to any good sushi is, of course, the rice. And to make sushi rice, you need sushi vinegar. Sushi vinegar is just like any type of rice vinegar, except it's a little bit sweet. So you can make it at home by adding a little bit of sugar to it. I'm going to start off with that. We have a bowl. Put my rice inside here. For this amount, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Okay, and to mix it up, what you want to do is you want to cut it in. Don't stir it or else it gets too yucky. All right, that's good. I'll set that aside for a little bit just to let it cool some. I will start to cut our ingredients. We'll start off with our tamagoyaki, our rolled omelet. Cut it into not too thin. Our cucumber, we will just use it as is. You just need to cut it into quarters. And then our spinach here, I'm going to cut off the end. We don't need to cut our kanikama, or crab sticks. All you need to do is just squeeze them out of the little plastic wrapper like that. And then our kampyo. So I think I'll cut this in maybe quarters. So we have something about that size. Next, we have our shiitake mushrooms. Right, you need to cut around the stem. Stem is pretty tough. Now we're gonna cut our koya-tofu, our freeze-dried tofu here. We'll just cut it a little thinner than maybe the omelet. Koya-tofu has a very distinct texture. Some people love it, some people don't, but it's pretty healthy. All right, so about that size. All right, I think I'm ready to roll up my sushi. I'm gonna take the sheet nori here. Sheet nori has 2 sides to it. You have a shiny side, this is the front side here, and then you have kind of a rough side, which is the back side. You set it on this is your makisu, this is your little mat for helping rolling. You put it with the lines parallel with the shiny side down. I'm gonna use my hands, so remember to wet your hands a little bit so the rice doesn't stick. I'll take a little ball and put it in the middle. And just spread it out across your sheet nori. Remember, you want to leave about a 3-centimeter little lip at the top to seal up your roll, kind of like the lip of an envelope. Just spread it out. I think we start off with our wet ingredients at the bottom. So we'll start off with our koya-tofu here, and then shiitake mushrooms. I think for the fun of it, I'll put my cucumber, and then I'm going to put my rolled omelet across the top here. And we have our crab sticks, our kanikama. This is our dried gourd. Last but not least, number 7 of our lucky ingredients is spinach. There we go. Here is our Ehōmaki. Now we just need to wrap it up. Wish me luck. You start at the back. You can hold down your ingredients as you roll it around on your mat. Roll it around and give it a little push down. Not too hard, but a little bit. See how that came out. There we go. Here is our Ehōmaki. Now, the traditional way of eating Ehōmaki is not to cut it, because that's supposed to cut the luck. So you're supposed to face the auspicious or lucky direction, which changes year to year, and then you eat it at a slight angle in one go, and you're not supposed to say anything. You're supposed to be totally silent and eat the entire roll. But I won't make you suffer that, so, and I won't make myself yourself suffer that. Anyhow, that's the Nippon.com Ehōmaki. Give it a try yourself and let us know how it turned out. Thank you and have a happy Setsubun.